Hello, my name is Gal Messinger, the owner of Solar Messenger. This is the fifth part out of 6 parts of short presentations regarding the process of deciding which solar system you want to get, purchasing it, and then this part is about the installation and activation of your system. I do recommend to watch the first 4 short presentations before you watch this. So that's already when we already finished all the design review and signed the contract, and we are going to create your dream system on your roof or at your backyard. So the first thing we need to do is to understand how we work. So we have a team of people who do the job, the project manager and team of workers, and we're going to update you regarding the process and regarding what is going on, either via emails, which people prefer. Sometimes you want to get a phone call, that's okay too. So the progress of your project, you know exactly what you're going to do to get and when and the timeframes. Licensing and permits as well as audits, they're very important because sometimes your local municipality may have issues and you have to know, because you can actually give them a phone call and accelerate stuff. So we work with you on stuff like that. Milestones regarding material purchasing. Now, when COVID is over, we can say that usually it's a straightforward process. But we can tell you, look, this solar panel from that company is not available, but identical one, the same price is available from another company. We can actually involve you if there are some decisions. Usually, it's very easy, straightforward situation. Payments, we're going to tell you when payments are up and coming, and estimation of the commission date, when it's going to be the day we activate your system. And we can also answer your questions if you, let's say, see a team of us doing something on your roof and you don't know what's going on, you want to ask what happens or what's next, you can call us anytime and we're going to help you out and answer. So how does the process work? This is a simplified version, by the way. It's much more flexible in real life. So licensing, that can happen, by the way, even later on, the discussion with your electrical supplier, the hydro company. We have to sign an agreement with them, and you have to sign an agreement, but they're going to get you the agreement from them. We do the electrical design and the structural design. So this is the first thing that we have to do. Now, structure, if we need to, most modern houses don't need that, but sometimes we do. So once you get your licensing up and running, we can purchase the equipment. We don't do it before that because if you don't have the understanding, you can do the work. If we purchase and you pay for the hardware, we find it very hard to return it. So we do usually that first step and then purchasing. Then we go on your roof and do the racking, wiring on the roof. We can put the panels, microinverters, or optimizers if you choose to use them. Some combiners, meaning boxes that we connect the things together, and animal guards, very important. I have squirrels, a lot of them, and animal guards are important. And then we also, on the wall, we install the inverters, the breaker switches, and if you choose a battery, we install that too. Smart metering will be done by the hardware company. It's not urgent. We can actually work on your system while we book that, so we save time. Because unless you install the smart meter, and it happened to me, I just tested the system for a day to see that it works before I got a new meter, and they billed me because the meter doesn't know what's going on. So the idea is that you have the smart meter before you actually start consuming and producing electricity from your solar system. Then we have the ESA approval and inspection. So as first, the inspection can be in 1 or 2 parts. Like if there's nothing, then inspection, then approval. But if there's an issue, they find, let's say, once a missing label can be an issue for them. So in many cases, these are minor things. The approval is done either immediately or after we take a picture of something they found. It's a very easy process. The electrician is doing it. We work with master electricians, so it's a very smooth process. Now, activation is when a certified technician from our company is going to come and initiate the system. Then it's also when we do that and it's on and producing, it's called commissioning. And then you'll get an access to the monitoring system, and you can actually see what is going on in your system, which is very, very important for you. Because you want to see how much you produce, if all the solar panels are working, if everything is efficient, and you'll get an access to the monitoring system. Now, the performance of your system is going to be estimated, and you can monitor it because every part of the year, you get different illumination. And we have predictions for this, and you can also check it by monitor. So this is actually taking it directly from my house monitoring system. And you can see that that day, it was 80.9 kilowatt hours of energy. My house probably used about 20. The rest of it, about 60, I give to the utility, and they registered it as a surplus. So I can use it at nighttime, I can use it in the winter. So thank you very much for watching this fifth part of the presentation. And if you have time, please watch the next one. Thank you very much.